Hello students, this is Dr. Gaurangi Bhatt here. Today I am going to tell you about note making. This is from section A, reading. So as you know, notes are short written record of facts to aid the memory, and this is advanced skill of writing. They are usually taken to record a speech or dictation while listening to it, or after reading a book, magazine, article, or listening lectures. So we use note making. They are referred back whenever needed and may be reproduced in the desired way. So later on, whenever you want to remember something, you can use your notes. Important steps of note making. So first of all, while making notes, we follow certain standard practices. First step is read the passage carefully and underline the important information or main idea and supporting details. Second step, at least 4 abbreviation wherever possible. Fourth step is write the summary of the given passage and an appropriate title to it. Now we have different structures of notes. Here I have given you 2 formats of note making. First of all, as number 1, 2, 3. Then comes your subsection. After writing main section, write subsections with Roman letters 1 to 3, and then your sections as A, B, C. So next format is, again, first you will write the passage, then comes your main heading as number 1, and after heading, write subheading as number 1.1, and then your subheading 1.1.1, and if there is again subheading, then you can give a number 1.1.2 like this, and then your for subheading you will write 1.2, then in continuation you will write 1.314. Same way you will follow as number 2 main heading, then for subheading you will write 2.1, and for subheading you will write 2.2, and for 3.1, 2.3.2 like this. And again for third passage also you will give number 3 as your main heading, then 3.1 subheading, and if there is subheading then you will write 3.1.1 as your subheading, then for subheading 3.2. Next, after writing these parts, division of these passages, we write abbreviations. So whenever we write abbreviations, that is written in a box at the end of the notes. So sentences, so we use abbreviation. Abbreviations are the short forms. So this is the box I have given here, abbreviation. So you can see these abbreviations and the proper words. And at last comes your summary. So after writing all main heading, subheading, now here I have given you one example. I have given a very short passage and just to tell you how to write. So first of all, after reading this passage, just underline the important lines, and then you write a title. As I have given title to this passage, fasting. And after writing this title, fasting, I have given main heading as number 1, and that is importance of food to the body. Main heading, give little space towards your right side, and then mention subheading as 1.1. And after writing subheading, if there is again subheading, and then if there is subheading, then write 1.2.1, and for subheading again 1.2.2, and if there is subheading, then you will write 1.3. So this way you will divide the given passage as I have done. And after writing all these sections, then I have written the abbreviation. Here I have made a box, as I told you that you have to write abbreviation in a box only. First I have written the abbreviations that are used in this passage, and that is energy, and next REJUV, that is rejuvenation, and next is BNFTS, and the word is benefits. So, after writing abbreviation, then I have written the summary of the passage. Fasting has various benefits if it is done under medical supervision. According to the research, it detoxifies the body, cleanses system. So, like suppose the passage is very difficult and you are unable to understand it, so you can write your own heading and then make subheading and subheading. This way you can write your note making. Understood this? Thank you so much.